Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix your IT administrator has limited access to some areas of this app and the item you are tried to access is not available. Error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. This solution worked for many people. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download option and download this guys. Select this link and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to select show in folder, right click on the downloaded program and select run as administrator and select yes. Now wait for it. After finishing this, you just need to close it up here and you can open the Windows security and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.